12 division of Vedic astrology birth chart. So what are the 12 divisions? You can see on your screen the 12 divisions which are been done onto a chart. Each column is represented as a house, and in Vedic North Indian style we go anti-clockwise from first to 12th house. In Vedic astrology northern style, the houses are fixed but the rashis are movable. So in this video, I'll be talking about 12 houses and what are their significations. Which house represent what in one's birth chart or a kundali. Starting from the first house. First house is self, a person himself, brain of a person, his self-respect, his efforts, everything is from the first house. The appearance of a person, if he's short, tall, complexion is dark, fair, whitish. How will be the hair, curly hair, straight hairs? Everything about a person is being decided from the first house only. The first house represents self. Coming on to the second house, your second house is your finances, your eating habits, your family, kutum, everything related to these things are from the second house. Then coming to the third house. What is third house? Third house is your struggle. Third house is your hobby. Third house is your short term travels. Third house is your communication. These kind of things are represented from the third house. And third house is your younger siblings. Coming on to the fourth house. Fourth house in the divisional chart is your mother. It signifies land, properties. In some of the theories, like in KP, the early education is also being decided from the fourth house. In Prashari, the fifth house is represented for the education. So you can take fourth and fifth both for the initial education of a person. Your luxury item is from your fourth house. Coming to the fifth house in Parashari, education of a child of a native is from the fifth house. Then comes your progeny, your child, and your past birth, past life. It's represented from the fifth house. Coming to the sixth house, in Hindi it's known as Rog, Rin, and Shatru, means loan, diseases, and your enemies. Sixth house is your daily routine also. Sixth house represent your service also, job also. Coming to the seventh house is your partner, though it will be your spouse, married partner, or could be the partner in your business. Seventh house represent your business as well. Coming to the eighth house is your transformational house. It represent your longevity, about your death, about your in-laws, about any changes that to be done, inheritance properties from your in-laws or inheritance properties of your father. It's been represented from the eighth house. Ninth house is your good luck, is your luck, is your religion, is your long-term travels. It's been represented from the ninth house. 10th house. 10th house is your karma. 10th house is the thing which you will be doing in your day to day life on. What would be your karma in this life? What will be the uh, service, job, or anything related to your life you will be doing? It's being decided from the 10th house. 11th house. 11th house is the house of your gain, your savings, plus your elder siblings, your social circle, your friends. It's being represented from the 11th house. Coming on to the 12th house. 12th house is the moksha house. It's basically your spirituality, your expenditures also, bed pleasure, your if you have to be hospitalization, it's seen from there, jail, prison, that's been represented from the 12th house also. So these are the 12 houses which signifies their characteristic in a birth chart. If you have any query, do let me know into the comments. And this is the new channel. If you like this video, please like this video. subscribe to my new channel. Please support it out. Till then, bye bye.